Good afternoon, guys. Nick here with Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery. And today we're in our darkroom and wanted to show you an improvement that we had to mixing ink. So we have a program now. It's called PDF 24. Essentially what that's going to do is it's going to convert the PDF documents that we receive from design into JPEGs. That JPEG is going to allow us to upload into another program, Avient, and that's going to give us our breakdown of what percentage of color is in that image. So what you want to do is you want to have, go ahead and open up your program if it's not already open. That icon can be found right next to Avient in your taskbar. Go ahead and select Choose Files. So Choose Files, I'm going to go to CB Orders. And the order that I'm looking for is going to be 20426. 20426. Go ahead and enter there. We're going to go to Production Files. And this is our PDF that we're looking for right here. So we're going to go ahead and select that, open. Okay, so now it's opened up that portion of it. Now we want to go ahead and come over here to the left-hand side, and we're going to save that as a JPEG. 300 DPI. 100% image quality. We're not going to mess with this part over here. We're going to go ahead and hit Convert. All right, you can see it's converted it now to a JPEG. We're going to go ahead and save that. Come back up here to the form, CB Orders. Select your folder, 20426. Production Files. And we're going to go ahead and save that in there. Now once you've saved it, you can go ahead and minimize that screen. And you want to open up Avient. Avient is going to be the program that we use that gives us formulas and the different codes, so how we can mix any color. So first thing we're going to do, formula code. I'm referring to my proof. It's going to be 293 is the color we're wanting to mix here. And now what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to your ink calculator. Now, what we're going to plug in all these different areas here. Looking over at my proof, we're going to have 60 garments, and then you want to plug in the height and the width of your image. So again, referring to my proof, the height is 12.8, and the width here is going to be 9.5. Number 3 is going to be your mesh, what mesh you're going to be using. This is a color, so we use our 200 plus mesh. In this drop down, it does not give me an exact 200. It goes 180, 196, 230. So I'm going to go ahead and use 196. It's a lot closer to 200 than 230 is. So go ahead and use that. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come down here to step number 4. I'm going to go ahead and hit that little icon there. And we're going to be pulling in the JPEG from our order. So we're going to go up to CB Orders. I'm going to go 20426. Production Files. And we're looking for our front JPEG. It's marked with an F there. Go ahead and select that. All right, so in this image, it's telling us that there is 22.86% of this color, this 293 blue. We're going to keep the percent of flood at 5%. We found that 5% is a good amount. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Calculate and check. Now that it's automatically calculated the weight of the color that we would need to mix to complete this. So it says 68.14. So we would, any color that we get out of that formula, we want to just add 50 grams to that to ensure that on the last shirt, we're not completely running dry. And we'll have enough to complete the job. So 68.14 plus 50 grams, go ahead and plug that in, and it's going to give you your proper formula. So let's see here. We can do the math real quick. So we'll have 68.14 plus 50. That's going to give us 118.14. And we want to keep that in grams. There we go. Now it's going to give us all of our breakdowns. Then all we would have to do is just come up here to the print. There's our formula where we go ahead and hit print. We would print to our Dymo label and just go ahead and print that out and apply it to the cup and get to mixing. Thanks for watching, guys.